Ladies and gentlemen, today I wan tell you about array methods. Wetin be array methods? Array methods na functions wey you fit use do something to your array. You fit use array method add new item for your array, you fit use am remove, you fit use am go through your array, and you fit use am check the position of one item for your array among many other things. For instance, if I get array wey contain all of these fruits and I wan add another fruit for JavaScript, I go just write the main of the variable where I use store the array dot push, then enter the string containing the new fruit wey I wan add. Another one na dot pop. This one we dey use am dey remove the last item wey dey inside our array. Other array methods for JavaScript na dot shift wey we fit use remove the first item, dot unshift wey we fit use add new item to the beginning, and dot index of wey we fit use am check the position of any item for our array. I go dey explain more array methods and more programming concepts for my video, so make sure say you follow. Thank you for your attention to this matter.